Welcome back to Mr. DuPage's classroom. This lesson is for my Algebra 1 class. It is the 7.5, 7.6 mixed notes. These three problems are just extensions off of what we've already done. So I might go through these fairly quickly. So problem number 1, we have y is greater than negative 1 over 4x minus 3. So my m in this case is negative 1 over 4. My b is negative 3. So I'll start down at negative 3. My slope tells me to go down 1, right 4. If I go down 1, right 4, I should go up 1, left 4 as well. I can go ahead and connect these points. Now, what I have to consider is whether or not this should be a solid line or a dotted line. The greater than only sign tells me that this should be dashed, so I need to get rid of some of my line. Now, it says that my y needs to be greater than, so I want all answers that are greater than my line, so anything that's above. So I'm going to shade above the line, and that will be my answer. On to number 2. Number 2 is not in the correct form, so I need to solve for y, meaning I need to add 2x first to both sides. 3y is less than or equal to 2x plus 6. Divide everything by 3. So y is less than or equal to 2 over 3x plus 2. So my slope is 2 over 3, and my y-intercept, or my b, is positive 2. So I start at positive 2. I go up 2, right 3. I need to go down 2, left 3 as well. This is a less than or equal to sign, so my line will stay solid, and I want to shade below my line. Okay, on to number 3. Number 3, both of my inequalities are already in slope-intercept form. So for my first inequality, my m would be negative 2 over 1, and my b would be 5. So let's start that one. I go up to 5. I need to go down 2, right 1, up 2, left 1. You connect those points. Whoops. This point's off. So you go down 2, right 1. Sorry about that. Connect these points. Now I want to double check and see, is this equal to? So we're looking at this first inequality sign. It is just less than. So I'm going to go ahead and clear out part of my line. It's telling me to graph less than, which means down. So I'm just going to make some arrows to compare it to my second line here in a minute, my second inequality, okay? Now, I'm going to change colors for you guys. My second inequality, my slope is negative 2 over 1, and my y-intercept is going to be negative 3, so I go down to negative 3 to start. Tell me to go down 2, right 1, and up 2, left 1. So there's my line for my second inequality. Again, this is just a greater than, so this will be a dashed line. Greater than means I want to shade up. So I want to shade anywhere where the arrows are pointed at each other, which is just going to be this area directly in between the two parallel lines. Okay? On to my last problem, problem 4. So y is less than or equal to 5, which means I'm going to go up to 5 on the y-axis, and my line is actually going to be a straight horizontal line. And it is an equal to, so that is going to stay solid. It says less than, so I'm going to go ahead and go down from there. My next line is y is greater than or equal to negative x plus 1. So my slope, my m, is negative 1 over 1, and my b is positive 1. So we're up at 1, down 1, right 1, up 1, left 1. Again, this is an equal to, so it will be a solid line. and we're here. So right now I'm looking at greater than or equal to. So I'm going to shade up. And I only want to shade in the areas that my arrows are pointed at each other. So it's just going to be this section in between my two lines here. Okay? So that is a review of the 7.5 and 7.6. There is no new material on this video. If you do have any questions, please make sure you're asking when you see me, or you can always send me an email. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching the video, and have a great day.